Hey guys, go to RPM Diecast, and today we have a Inno64 top secret Malaysian Diecast 2024 Nissan Skyline R34 in gold. It's got carbon fiber hood. One thing I'm a little confused about is, I'll see if I might have to crack it open to see the base. Yeah, I'm gonna have to crack it open. But it says Tokyo Auto Salon on it, which I'm a little confused if this is Malaysian Diecast or I'll show you here. I mean, maybe it was used for both, maybe? That's the only thing I could think of. But if you see there, Tokyo Auto Salon 2024. And like here it says Malaysian Diecast Expo. Oh, sorry. I'm trying to see the right here by under the car and on the box, but on the thing it says Tokyo Auto Salon. So again, maybe I'm just not understanding it. Maybe they used it for both. Also, I got mine and it had a freaking ripple on the box. It doesn't matter because I opened it anyway. But it's an officially licensed product. I think all Innos and all Inno64s, mini GTs and stuff, I think they're all licensed now. But yeah, I'll pop this. Get a little bit of a better look before I put it on the spinner. Carbon fiber hood, carbon fiber trunk. See right there? Tokyo Auto Salon 2024. Again, maybe I shouldn't do enough research, but yeah, let's go get this off the spinner, take some close-ups. I think this is gonna look amazing, like under light. But anyway, I'll be right back. That was the Inno64 top secret Malaysian Diecast R34 Skyline. I can't decide, so I put it back in the box. I can't decide if I want to put this in my Nissan garage, because I have one of those more art Nissan garages, because it looks so good under the light. I don't know what to do. If I put it in my garage, it'll be at the end of this video, but anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Comment down below your favorite casting to get entered into the giveaway, which again is that 34 Skyline and that Super T-Hunt. Thank you so much, and keep on collecting.